Going on, everybody? We got a 2007 Toyota RAV4 here. I'm going to show you why we recommend changing the air or the cabin air filter frequently. So flip the camera around here, I'll give you a shot. This is the cabin air filter that came out of here, right behind the glove box. You can actually see, look at that thing. So we're gonna go ahead and get that all vacuumed out as best we can here. Show the customer. That's pretty bad. This is a new filter here, and I got that all cleaned out. Customer should be much happier with the smell. We're gonna go ahead and spray it with RAV4. So kind of help clean all the bacteria out of the HVAC box. Spray that real well. Spray inside. Put that back in. Alright. There we go. Glove box in. Backing the car out. Just set to roll. Start the car. I'm going to turn off the AC. Make sure that's off. I want fresh air coming inside the car. Then pop the hood. Let's spray this inside here. That'll help a lot of the smell. That's it. She's done.